friends, and how are you? Today I have Samsung j320 phone. So there is problem of FRP. So how to remove this FRP lag from this phone? So let's start. Next, start. Press on the start button. Connect with Wi-Fi. So I have already connected with Wi-Fi. If you do not connect, you can connect and then press on the next button. Next, agree. So you can see here I have do not this email or Gmail ID of this phone. So I will go back, press on the back button, again back, come to the Wi-Fi option, press on the more, add network, type a few words here and then double tap on that words, long press. So you can see here I have launched this 3 cut, copy and assist. I will press on the assist. So I have successfully launched this Gmail, the Google, sorry. I will type here setting. You can see here that is settings. I will scroll down, come to the about device. I will check the version of this phone, software info. So this is 6.0.1. so I will go back and press on the user manual. I have launched this Samsung browser, new tab, press on the Google. I will type here Google account manager 6.0.1. Google account manager. You can see here Google account manager 6.0.1 APK download. I will press on this one. I will download this one and write APK bugs because I was already checked this file, so that has worked. So now I will download on this one. You can see here it is open. Scroll down, download APK 7 MB. Minimize this one. Download from secure server. Again press on this one. Starting download. So you can see here my downloading is start now to the phone. Now I will launch a new tab here. Press again on the Google. I will search here the quick shortcut maker APK, quick shortcut maker APK. So I will press on the quick shortcut maker APK. Scroll down. I will download this one from the Android APK box. Press on this one. Press on the download. Download from the secure server. Press on this one. Starting download. So downloading is start now. Now I will scroll up, press on the bookmarks, save history, come to the history, press on the download history, You can see here I will firstly download the Google account APK files. Press on this one. It will be downloading in a few seconds. So I will be wait here for this downloading. So yes, it is download now. Setting, go to the setting, unknown sources, open this one and start this one. That's it. Yes, app install. Done. Download the quick cut maker APK. Setting, unknown sources, open. OK, install. Open this one and type here the Google account. You can see here Google account manager. Press on this one and I will select 1 2 3 4 and then 5. You can see here 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Press on the 5. Try 3 dot option. You can see here. Press on the 3 dot option. Browse sign in. OK. I will add here a Gmail ID. Any Gmail ID you can add here. I have my Gmail ID is the red gmail.com. Go. Now I will put the password of this ID. I have added successful the password. Now I will next. Now I will add here my Gmail successful. I will go back, pull back. Now I will start again. Next again. Agree. Account added. Next. Just a second. ये क्या हुआ? This will take a little bit time. You can wait for your phone till it has become in the option. This will be take a little bit time, so you must view it perfect soon. Okay. Says setup email. I will not now. Protect the device. Skip. Skipping. Skip. Next. Agree. Agree with all. Next again. Agree. Not now. Next. And finish. Finish. So this is the FRP log of j320. You can use this method in your phone, and now I will use my phone. Maybe this video will be helpful for you, so thank you for watching.